An extendable duster lets cleaners reach high ceilings, vents, and ledges quickly and safely without ladders. An extendable duster increases efficiency by extending reach to overhead surfaces, saving time and reducing the need to carry and reposition step stools. Choose a duster with a telescoping pole that locks securely at multiple lengths to prevent collapse during use and to give precise control when working near lights or sprinkler heads. Use soft microfiber heads for general dusting because they attract and hold particles rather than just moving them around, and swap to electrostatic or lambswool heads when dealing with fine dust or delicate fixtures. For wet or damp dusting after using an appropriate cleaning solution, select heads that are machine washable and dry completely to avoid mildew. Prioritize an ergonomic handle and a lightweight pole to reduce wrist and shoulder fatigue on long shifts, and consider a swivel or pivoting head to maintain full contact on angled crown molding or irregular ledges. Train staff to extend the pole only as far as necessary and to work in slow, controlled strokes to avoid dislodging loose ceiling tiles or fixtures. Common mistakes include overextending the pole and losing control, which can be prevented by extending incrementally and keeping one hand near the head for guidance. Another issue is using the wrong head, like a coarse brush that scatters dust instead of trapping it, so switch to microfiber or electrostatic options for most indoor office surfaces. A third common concern is inadequate maintenance of the duster heads, which reduces performance and can spread contaminants. Solve this by rinsing or machine washing heads according to manufacturer instructions and replacing them on a regular schedule based on frequency of use. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and also helps contractors find work by listing projects and enabling direct contact. We offer a discussion community where users and pros exchange tips, ask questions, and share real-world experiences about tools like extendable dusters and best cleaning practices.